Hi guys, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do this lovely songas, or you can also call it African threading. Some people call it Kiko Roba. Yes, so whichever one you prefer calling it. So let's go into the tutorial. First thing, you achieve the hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and moisturize the hair with your hair cream and leave-in conditioner if the hair is natural, or if you can apply leave-in on permed hair. Yes, you can also apply it on permed hair. So after that, you go ahead and begin to do the Kiko Roba. Yes, here in Nigeria some people call it songas, some people call it Kiko Roba. Yes, whichever one you prefer calling it. So now guys, this is me trying to show you guys like I'm using box cutting for this particular Africa threading. So I'm using box cutting. Can you see? So if you wish, it's not a must you use this particular cutting, but I just prefer using this box cutting because it makes braid look beautiful. So using it on a Kiko, it will also look more beautiful on it. So that's why I decided to use that box cutting. So guys, can you see? So some people really don't know how to do these songas, and some people know how to do it. They don't know how to bring out this knot, this knot. Can you see? So I want to show you guys slow so that you see what I'm doing. So whenever you are threading it, make sure the gap, there's no gap in between. There's no gap. Yes, if you are doing a professional work, there shouldn't be gap in between. Can you see guys? So now I'm trying to tie this one, tie it very well to secure it. So because if you didn't tie it well, it might get loose. So you need to tie it well to secure it. After tying it, I cut the excess thread away. Can you see? Then you use your hand to amend it, just to arrange it very well to make it look more beautiful. Can you see? So you comb the hair. Guys, like if you're on low cut and you're trying to grow your hair, I'm telling you guys, this is the best method for you to grow your hair. Yes, this is the best method to grow your hair. Can you see guys? So if you're doing it, you first of all use your rubber to grip the roots. Don't make it too tight, just make sure you hold it firm, because people used to be afraid of making this particular hairstyle because some people hand is so painful. So you just try to grip it, make sure it's firm, not too tight. Yes. So after that, you wrap it like 3 times, then you bring out your knots. After the knots, you go ahead and you begin to threading it. Can you see? Like just the way I'm doing it, go ahead and continue doing it. My returning subscribers, thanks for always stopping by. I love you all. And my new subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate every one of you here. Thank you for the love, for your support. Thank you so much. We can also do more better. Yes, by sharing to your loved ones. Leave a comment in the comment section, and if this video is helpful and if you enjoy watching this video, just go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. So guys, these are the ones I've done. Can you see? Yes, this is the best method to grow hair. Like if you want your hair to grow like magic, this is the best way. And guys, see the final look. We are done. This is the final look of the hair. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.